Hi everybody, in this video I will try to teach you the prime factorization. There are two words, prime and factorization. Prime comes from prime numbers. So prime numbers are the numbers which has only two factors. You can divide these numbers only with two different numbers. For example, for 2, you can divide 2 by 1 and 2 by 2. You can divide 3 by 1 and 3 by 3. 5 by 1 and 5 by 5. You can divide 7 by 1 or 7 by 7. Or you can divide 11 by 1 or 11 by 11. You don't have any other choice. You have only two choices to divide them. So these are the special numbers. We call them as prime numbers. Now the second word, factorization, means writing a number or an expression as product of numbers or product of expressions. So for 20 we have several choices. For example, 1 times 20 is a factorization of 20. 2 times 10 is a factorization of 20. 4 times 5 is a factorization of 20. And the last one, 2 times 2 times 5 is another factorization of 20. Now, let's check these numbers which we use for factorization. Is 1 a prime number? No, it is not. Is 20 a prime number? 20 is not in here, so 20 is not a prime number. Is 2 a prime number? Yes, it is. Is 10 a prime number? Is 10 a prime number? No, it is not. Is 4 a prime number? No, it is not. Is 5 a prime number? Yes, it is. Now, is 2 a prime number? Yes. Is 2 a prime number? Yes. Is 5 a prime number? We have checked. Yes, it is a prime number. So, from these factorizations, this one is a different one. Okay, there's a difference. In these ones there are 2. In these we have 3 numbers. But the difference which I want you to see, in this factorization, all the numbers which I use, they are all prime numbers. So, in this factorization, if it is all prime numbers, we call it as prime factorization. So, for 20, we made it easily, or I made it easily. But if I give you 180, if I want you to find prime factorization, product of some numbers must be 120 and all of them must be prime numbers. All of them must be from here. So to make that, we need a way to find that. We cannot make it by guessing. It will be very hard for us. So now, what is the way to find that? Firstly, we write the number 20, we draw a direct line, and in this side of direct line, I will use only the prime numbers. So, and in this side from up to down, there will be prime numbers. They must be from smallest to biggest. So, I always start from 2 if I can. So, what will happen when I write a number here? When I write a number here, I will divide this number by that one. So, firstly, I will check that. Can I start with 2? So, to check that, I look at 20. Can I divide 20 by 2? Yes, I can. So, I can start with 2. So, 20 divided by 2 is 10. So after 10 I will write another number in here. So I must continue with 2 if I can. Can I divide 10 by 2? Yes, I can. So I will continue with 2. 10 divided by 2 makes 5. Now, can I continue with 2? Can I divide 5 by 2? No, I cannot. So I will check the next number. After 2, the next prime number is 3. Can I divide 5 by 3? No, I can't. So I don't write 3 there. I write the numbers only if I can divide. Can I divide 5 by 5? Yes, I can. 5 divided by 5 makes 1. Then you reach to the 1. The prime factorization is finished. What is prime factorization of 20? Is 2 times 5. Okay. This is the way to do that. Now let's see a few different questions about this. Find the prime factorization of each number: A 24, B 180, C 1400. I wrote the prime numbers here to remind you. So what will we do? We will write 24 and we will draw a direct line here. On this type of line, I need to start from 2 if I can. Can I divide 24 by 2? Yes, I can. So I can start with 2. 24 divided by 2 makes half of 24 is 12. So can I continue with 2? Can I divide 12 by 2? Yes, I can. So I write 2 over there. 12 divided by 2 makes 6. So after 6, can I continue with 2? Yes, I can. Yes, I can do it again. 6 divided by 2 makes 3. Now, can I continue with 2? No, 3 is not divisible by 2. So after 2, what is the next prime number? The next prime number is 3. Can I divide 3 by 3? Yes, I can. So I will continue with that. Now, 3 divided by 3 makes 1. I reach to the 1. Then it is finished. So 24 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, which is 2 times, 2 times, 2 times. How many 2 are there? 3 of them. Yes, okay. How many 3 are there? There is only 1. Okay. So let's check that. Is it okay or not? 2 times 2 makes 4, times 2 makes 8, times 3 makes 24, as you see. Also, this number can be a bigger number. So writing all these numbers will take a lot of place. We need to write all these things simpler. How can we make it? Remember that we did the exponential notation before. So 2 times 2 times 2. How can I write it by using exponential notation? How many 2 are there? 3. I multiply 2 by itself 3 times. So 2 to the power of 3, or 2 cubed, and there is only 1 3. I don't need to write the power 1 here. Let's do the number 180. Now the first one is finished. 2 cubed times 3. For 180, first I check that. Can I divide it by 2? Can I start with 2? The last one is 0. It is divisible by 2. So I can start with 2. Half of 180. Dividing by 2 means taking half. So 90, is this divisible by 2? The last one is 0. So it is divisible. Yes. So continue with 2. Half of 90. What is that half of 90? 45. Now can I continue with 2? The last one is 5. No, I cannot continue with 2. So I will check the next prime number. Can I continue with 3? Is 45 divisible by 3? Remember that we did that rule before. 4 plus 5 makes 9. Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes, it is. So 45 is divisible by 3. In 4, there is only 1 times 3. It will be 3. 4 minus 3 will be 1. Move 5 here. 15. In 15, how many 3 are there? 5. So 15. Can I continue with 3 again? Yes, I can continue. I must continue with this number until I cannot. So 15 divided by 3 makes 5. Now, can I continue with 3? No, I cannot divide 5 by 3. So I check the next prime number. Can I continue with 5? Yes, I can. So 5 divided by 5 makes 1. Then you reach to the 1, it is finished. So 2 power what we need there? 2 power 2. 2 to the power of 2. And 3 power what we need there? 3 to the power of 2 again times 5 power 1. We don't need to write power 1 if you can remember. Now the last example, also a very big number, 1400. Let's draw a longer line. So 1400. We need to start with the smallest one if we can. Can we start with 2? Can we divide this number by 2? Check the last one, it is 0. So we can start with 2. So dividing by 2 means half of a number. 14. What is half of 14? 7, and put 2 zeros more. So 700. Can I continue with 2? Yes, it is divisible by 2. The last one is 0. So half of 700. It is 350. So can I continue with 2? Can I continue with 2? The last one is 0. So yes, I can. I can continue with 2. I need to divide 350 by 2. Let's do that operation somewhere else. 350 divided by 2. In 3 there is only 1 times 2. 2 is there. 3 minus 2 makes 1. Move 5 here. In 15, how many 2 are there? 7 times 2 makes 14. 15 minus 14 will be 1. Move 0 in here to here. In 10, how many 2? 5. 5 times 2 will be 10. So you don't need to continue more. 175. Now, can I continue with 2? The last number is 5. So I cannot continue with 2. Let's clean this part. So yes, let's clean this part. We will need that part. Let's make it shorter. So we were checking 175. Is 175 divisible by 2? Is it divisible by 2? We check the last number, 5. So it is not divisible by 2. If it because of that, we need to continue with the next prime number. Can we divide this number by 3? Can we continue with 3? So let's check that. Is this number divisible by 3 or not? How do we check it? 1 plus 7 is 8. Plus 5 is 13. Is 13 divisible by 3? Can we divide 13 by 3? No, we cannot. So we cannot divide this number by 3 also. It is not divisible by 3, so we check the next number. 5. Can we divide this number by 5? Look at the last one. It is 5. So we can continue with 5. 17 divided by 5 makes, there are 3 of them there. 3 times 5 will be 15. 17 minus 15 will be 2. Move 5 here. In 25, how many 5 are there? 5. So 175 divided by 5 is 35. Can we continue with 5 again? Yes, we can. Let's continue. 35 divided by 5 is 7. So can we continue with 5 again? No, we cannot divide it. We cannot divide 7 by 5. So what is the next number after 5? 7. So can I divide 7 by 7? Yes, I can. So let's continue with that. 7 divided by 7 is 1. Now we found the one. It is finished. 1400 is equal to 2 to the power of 1 to 3 times 5 to the power of 2 times 7. Thank you for listening, everybody.